Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. This is Umar with you. Hope you are all doing great. We had a technical glitch, so second time I am going live in this channel, right? So time now is almost 7 p.m. and if we talk about today's market, it was super volatile. In fact, price action was super crap. Market moved all place around. Today was two expiries. One was mid cap expiry due to Christmas on Monday. Monday markets will be closed due to Christmas, and so today two expiries were there: mid cap expiry and Sensex expiry, and it was a disaster. I can tell you it was a disaster, complete disaster. And the reason is because two expiries. If you have two expiries, or if you have noted previously, if there is two expiries on a single day, you will find these kind of market movements, right? So we'll see how things work out for now. What is going to happen in terms of Nifty and Bank Nifty? But I can tell you whatsoever, the markets are not likely to go on the higher side. We are overstretched and we are due for a consolidation. That is what I am telling. And even in yesterday's video, I told markets are likely to be very choppy, and that is what exactly happened. If you see the price action today, let me take you to the Nifty charts so that you can understand what markets are saying. And in fact, this is our PNL. And if you note here our PNL, we made a loss of around 35,337 rupees. And people ask why you are showing PNL, what is the use of showing PNL? Because there are lots of unethical people in this fraternity. I have the responsibility to show PNL, whether I am making profit or whether I am making losses. We are showing the PNL, that is for sure. In fact, I have shown more losses than more profit. If I make profit, I don't show, but if I make losses, I make sure to post that video. I make sure to post that PNL in my social media community, whether it is Twitter, Telegram, or YouTube community, right? So if you are not following us on Twitter, Facebook, not Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, or YouTube community, the link is on the description below. You can follow us there, right? So in terms of market, if I say we are likely to continue choppiness, we are likely to be volatile, and this is our PNL till now. Since August, we made a profit of around 4,64,000 with a capital of around 15, average capital of 15 lakhs, 11,000. So when we started on August, it was around maybe 7 or 8 lakhs. Now it is more than maybe 20 lakhs, right? So we'll see about this. I will show you my backend in a detailed video in another video. For now, what we are thinking in terms of Nifty or in terms of Bank Nifty, right? Now before telling you, had you done a straddle, or had you done a strangle, or ratio spread, or strangled ratio spread, what so strategies had you done a week before, I'm sure you must be in loss, right? Because the volatility in this 1 week, if you see here, let's say example for Nifty, high was around 21,500 and low was around 21,000, a move of high 500 points. Maybe you would have, if you had done a long-term option, maybe let's say you are going to March 2024, had you done a short straddle on March 2024, you would have made a good profit. But if you had a weekly options, you would have made a loss. I'm sure you would have made a loss. I'm not saying you would have made some adjustment, or you would have done some other things to mitigate the loss, but it would have been very, very hard for you to manage these kind of volatile moves, trades on these kind of volatile move, right? So what can be done? Nothing can be done. So this happens in the top, or it happens in the bottom. That's what I'm trying to say. So whenever we reach top, or whenever we reach bottom, we are likely to have a volatile market, and that is what has happened today. So if you see here, day before yesterday, Nifty was high was around 21,567, low was around 21,000, and today we settled somewhere around 21,349. So it has moved very violently. It has moved almost 600 or 700 points in Nifty, and we will consolidate. That's what I'm expecting. Now, if I'm saying if we are going to consolidate, are we going to crash? because people talk so much things about many things. They talk about coronavirus, they talk surge of coronavirus in South Indian states. There are lots of things happening, right? But markets are ignoring and moving ignoring all this news and moving forward means you have to understand that the likelihood of market going on the higher side should be very, very limited. In fact, FIIs and DIIs both are net buyers today. They have bought around 2000, DIIs have bought around 2166 crores, and FIIs have sold 2828 crores. Now, why am I saying this is because you know that when FIIs start selling, they sell in huge quantity, and I'm sure this is the top, and all the thing which is whether it is RSI, whether it is any indicator, whether momentum indicator, whatsoever indicator you are following, it is super stretched, and we are due for a correction. When that correction is going to happen is $1 million question. So if you know when the correction is going to happen, let me know on the comment section below. So what I believe is top for Nifty is around 21,500, or max 21,600, and low for Nifty is around 21,000. I don't expect any move or any thing. These are all the immediate resistance and immediate support. I don't see anything apart from this. If we have a really bad news, then we might go on the downside. And in terms of Bank Nifty, you can see that Bank Nifty has moved around 28,000. High was around 28,000 plus 28,200. Low was around 27,000. So 2000 points, 2000 plus points movement in just 1 week, or let's say 5 or 6 trading session. That's a super volatile market. So it was purely Nifty which was dragging the market, and I am expecting some consolidation in Bank Nifty as well. And if you see the US futures are all in the red. In fact, yesterday US market rallied more than, I think, 200 or more than 400 points. I'm talking about Dow Jones, and today US futures was deep in the red. As our market closed, it was down by negative maybe 70, 80 or 90 points, and now it is almost around 80 points. Not only US futures, European futures are also in the red. So we expect some consolidation. Let us see. We have a very long weekend. Monday is also a holiday due to Christmas. So we'll see how things pan out, and I'm sure you have not carried any long position because local holiday, long weekend, there might be a big gap up or gap down in the market. So be very careful and be very ethical, or be very careful, and I'm sure you must have hedged your position, right? So we'll see how things work out. As of now, we are non-directional, we are having sideways position. We believe that the market is going to be consolidating, and it is going to be super volatile, and that is what we believe, and that is what we told in yesterday's video also, and we stand by that, right? And there is very important data today, 7 p.m. Core price index month on month, durable goods month on month, personal income month on month, personal spending month on month in US market, not here. In fact, 5 p.m. today, foreign exchange reserve was out, but that's of no significance, and we don't care what our finance minister or what our RBI Governor Shakti Gandadas says, right? So we'll see how things work out. I believe that the market Monday we should be if US markets are closing in the red, we might close we might gap down, whether it is Nifty, Bank Nifty, or Fin Nifty, or for that matter any other indices. In fact, we have Tuesday we have Fin Nifty expiry. We'll see how things work out. For now, I'll end this video. I'll see you in yet another video. Till then, take care. Bye.